Howdy ladies and gents, today I'm going to show you how to install the Codex version of Dirt Rally 2. So, you can download it from websites like Ocean of Games, Skid Row and many other websites like IGG as well. And from there, once you download the ISO file, you'll have to mount it. But in case you're using an older version of Windows like Windows 8 or maybe Windows 7, you'll have to use Power ISO or maybe any software like that, but I actually prefer Power ISO for old Windows to mount this, and that way you're gonna be able to open it. So as I'm using Windows 10, I'm gonna just double click on it, and here we go. So then we have a setup installer, so we're gonna double click on it. And let's see where we have enough space. So here is the installer. I'm going to mute the sound. So it's telling me that we need at least 47 GB free of space. So let's see. It seems like I don't have enough space here. So I'm going to delete Far Cry 5. We have it here. There we go. Alright, so now we have enough space. As that is done, we can select the folder where we're gonna install it. So here is the disk. Selecting it, it's gonna automatically make the folder. I'm gonna check the copy contents of Codex to directory, so that it's gonna copy the crack by itself and then hit install. Then we'll have to wait a few minutes until it's done. Alright, here we go, it's almost done. Now even if I have selected the copy content to directory, it may not work because of my antivirus. Same with all of you guys, and you might face some problems. So what you have to do is you are going to go to your antivirus. So for example, I'm going to go to Defender, which is actually Windows Security, and here I'm going to turn off the protection at first. Then after that, now that it is finished, I'll go to the exclusion option, click on add, and then go to its folder, which is Dirt 2 Rally, and select folder, hit yes. And so the antivirus won't do any issue with this folder at all, meaning our game. And then after that, we're gonna go to Codex folder, copy the crack files by ourselves manually, and then go to the folder, hit paste, replace, and you're good to go. So before ending the video, I'm going to check it out just a little bit. Here we are. Dirt Rally 2.0 is actually running on our PC. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like it. Enjoy it. Hit like and share if you wanna, and I'll see you in the next one.